In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp status on your iPhone or Android device. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first open up Instagram application and hit at that Reels icon at the bottom of the screen. Now let's say I want to share this reel to my WhatsApp status, and all I have to do is hit there at three dots icon. Next, hit at share. There I can find WhatsApp, and now all I have to do is to check mark my status and then hit on next. Now I can write here some custom comment. I can type in some text here, and all I have to do is just hit at send to set my WhatsApp status. And basically that's it. Now you know how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp status. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.